Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another exciting episode of... Look at these little cutie pies. Maggie's right down here looking like, hey, give me my babies back. Look at that. Oh, now, are those cutie pies or what?
8.
Meow. Yes, okay, see? I got him, Maggie. I got him. Yeah, Maggie was like, I want my babies back. Here. Which one are you going to take first?
Probably the gray one.
She's licking them now.
Come here, Maggie.
Oh. You want to say hi to the world? That's Maggie. There you go. Here you go. Here you go. Yep, she picked the gray one up. That's what Mama said she would do. She picks the gray one up first. And here's the black one over there. Now, is that a cutie pie or what? Just gently rub. Meow. Baby's crying.
Let me hold her.
She's over there, Maggie. I just wanted to show you the kittens and Maggie. Yeah.